हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का यूपीएससी फिनालिस्ट और मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अवनीश। स्वागत है आप सभी का एवीएफसीएस के एक और नए प्रोजेक्ट में। आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू अवर न्यू प्रोजेक्ट विच इज रिलेटेड टू द व्हाट्सएप, and here I will give you some brief idea how it's work and what is it's all about. Please ignore Diwali crackers. So this is the basically interface of our WhatsApp marketing portal. As you can see here, you can upgrade your package. Here you can see what is the validity of your package, and this is the setting symbol. For example, this is not for you actually. Here is from here you can change your password and you can see your package and all other things. So by clicking in WhatsApp icon, you can see whatever the WhatsApp account you have logged in. Currently we have already logged in 3 accounts. As you can see here, you can see all 3 accounts over there. You can add new account by clicking this plus sign. QR code will be shown. After scanning this QR code, you will able to redirect to the success page, and here one more account will be added. Okay, and if you want to click, you want to select, for example, we have 3 account, but we want to proceed with the first account. Then we have to click over there, and these are my account details. Please ignore access token and all, no need of it. Here you can see all the chats which are going on. Okay, you can see all the chats over there, and this is the autoresponder. For example, if anyone send any kind of message, you can either you can set it for either in groups or individual. It's on you, whatever you want. Also you have to select the resubmit message. For example, if someone is continuously sending message, then you can send it up to 5 or 10 minutes. Then after every 5 or 10 minutes, if he or she will send some message, then it will automatically respond to that message. This is the bulk SMS. You have to create a group. We have created many groups, as you can see. And remember one thing, group in every group, if you are to add some number, then add country code. It must with the software country code, but just because WhatsApp work with the country code only, so you have to add country code. Okay, you can see all the numbers over here. You can edit the group name here. You can add group from here. You can send campaign by giving the campaign name. Select the campaign you want to proceed with, which kind of group. Okay, you can enter your message whatever you want to send here. You can select image or videos over here. Okay, you can upload images or videos whatever you want, and you can put the time interval between messages. It's recommended to avoid any kind of blockage or anything, but it's completely on official API, so mostly it will log out your account. Most probably it will not suspend or ban your number. These are the ongoing campaigns which are going on. Here 1646 is finished, pending is 454, and 202 is invalid number. Here 1570 number is successful. 31331 is invalid number. After that we will see how chatbot will work. For example, we have made one chatbot. If anyone, you can put the chatbot in individual or group mode, anyone, whatever you want, and you can either set it contain exact word or some matching word. We have added matching word option. After, if someone is message me on my this number with any of these keywords, then he will get the reply. Okay, and you can export the number. If you are available in any group, you can export the number in Excel file. These are the export number. And also we have API also. For example, if you want to create instance, you want to create QR code, whatever, you can use it with the API. You can integrate your WhatsApp with any kind of softwares by using API. So is there anything if you want to ask, you can just message me on this number 9639432432. I will really happy to help you. Thank you, have a nice day.